So it's been said throughout time that those who understand the power of compound interest use it to their advantage, and those people benefit tremendously. Now, the opposite of that is also true. Those who do not understand the power of compound interest or how to use it to their advantage end up becoming a victim of it, and they pay compound interest. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what compound interest is, how to then use it for yourself, so then that way you could be on the benefiting side of compound interest. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so I'm going to give you the very simple and plain, easy to understand explanation of exactly what compound interest is. So compound interest is simply you, the investor, earning interest on top of your interest. So I'm going to give you a very quick example of exactly what that looks like. All right, so let's say that you make a $1,000 investment, and on that $1,000 investment, you are not going to add any more money to it whatsoever as long as you hold that investment. Now, that $1,000 is going to, for this example, going to grow at 10% a year. Now, after 1 year of having that $1,000 invested at 10%, interest, you are going to have $1,100. Now, in say year 2, you might think, oh, I'm going to have just another $100 because it's going to gain another 10%. But because of the power of compound interest, you are not gaining interest on top of just your $1,000. You are gaining your interest on top of $1,100. So in return, you're going to end up with actually $1,210. Now, this is where it really starts to take off. So when you start looking out from say year 2 to maybe year 10, in year 10, without adding one single penny to your investment whatsoever, and just solely letting compound interest work for itself, or in other words, working for you, and you are starting to realize the power of compound interest, in year 10 of that $1,000 investment, your $1,000 investment has now turned from $1,000 to $2,600, and this is the power of compound interest. All right, so now that you know exactly what compound interest is and how compound interest works, you want to know exactly what you should do next, so that way you could start using compound interest for yourself in your own life. Well, really what it comes down to is you don't want to wait any further or any longer to start investing than you already have. Now, the truth is, you didn't know before watching this video what compound interest was or how it works. But now that you know, because you watched this video, you want to get started with investing as soon as possible, because the truth is, when it comes to compound interest and the power of it, the more time that you give it to work and grow, the greater the results are going to be for you. Now, in the example of this video, it was just $1,000 investment and it grew significantly without adding any more money to it. But you need to ask yourself, what would that investment look like had you just consistently added some more money to it and really just accelerated the process? So hey, I know you're going to be looking for a really great place to go ahead and sign up, so that way you can open your own investing brokerage account, so that way you could start becoming an investor and really just getting the effects of compound interest working for you and growing your own money. So I'm going to put a link to the stock market investing platform M1 Finance in both the description box of this video as well as the pinned comment of this video. So if you would like to sign up with M1 Finance, be sure to click the link in either one of those places on this video. And then hey, if you guys would like to watch another video from me, be sure to click this video that pops up here on the screen, and I will see you guys in that video.